One, YouTube, this is Bill coming at you. Been swinging through my class 2 weeks in a row. We're going to mess around with jackhammers today. I haven't put up a tutorial about jackhammers, and a lot of people have been asking for breakdancing tutorials. So what else to do but just bring other people that know their shit and spread the knowledge. So Bill, started off, jackhammers.
Jackhammers, alright. It's a little sloppy, but I'm sorry.
Obviously, before you do jackhammers, you need to learn cricket. So tell them what they need to know about crickets.
Alright, first thing
like, how'd you start practicing?
You need to know about crickets is that if you know what an ankle leg position is, it's when you get your elbow, put it in the anywhere that's comfortable, left or right, wherever, and you put it next to your gut, where your belly button is, and you use this hand as leverage, and you balance. It's like starting off a windmill, and that's a hang glide. From there, when you want to do a cricket, kind of bend your leg, like one leg bend, or any way you want, and when you start off a cricket, you use this hand and push, and then until you slide, hop. From there, you wanna use this hand when you push. You wanna also lift yourself up and use the hand that's holding you and push it up and use your legs to go like this. Okay,
so show them just the motion with the hands, like the push off, like.
Is, like that. And from there, you use this hand to push.
Push, hop, push, hop, push, hop. And depending what direction you go, whether you're clockwise or counterclockwise, it does help to give it a little kick of the feet. Bill, what direction you go?
Clockwise.
Clockwise? Fucking clockwise. Clockwise, and what leg do you kick?
I kick both legs. Yeah.
Both legs?
Both legs. I don't clockwise.
For sure. Yo, give him more of like, how long does it take? Like, average?
Average, I really don't know. Like,
how long did it take you?
For me, I just did out of nowhere one day. Like, I just kind of practiced it for a month. But for some people, maybe like 2 months or so, and the other 2 months.
Yeah, for sure. So, give me on blast real quick. Alright. I can give you my 2 cents about crickets. I can't really do crickets. I can't do jackhammers at all.
4 years and I can't do jackhammers.
You know what I mean? But hey, that's why I'm getting Bill to drop some knowledge for y'all. But one thing I do know is you gotta stay high. Try not to stay low. One of my problems with working with, I was very low. My legs were like this. You know what I mean? They hung too low to the ground. So when you're actually practicing your hand glide position, flex your abs, pop it in there, and stay high. Stay high and consistent. If your face starts to get red, take a break. Take a break. Breaks are good, right? But the thing is, like for me, I went counterclockwise and I kicked with my right foot mainly. Bill kicks with both. That's cool. Like for example, a good way to practice is drag. Just drag your knees. Like if you're going around, cheat a little bit when you first start off, you know? Just kind of play around. The whole time my right leg's on the floor. It's kind of like doing a push-up like this. You know what I mean? Where you actually just mess around with hand glides. So, boom. Eventually, just the way the body works, muscles get stronger, muscle memory kicks in, and you feel lighter. And next thing you know, you got crickets a month or 2. You never know. So try it out. Crickets, jackhammers, tutorial.
Get jackhammers like right away, but for me, I just go crickets and then jackhammers.
It's natural. Balance is key, right?
Yeah, balance is key. And make sure to, what Sean said, flex your abs. And I'm a little tired right now, so I'm gonna try to see if I can hit 15 tops or so.
Whoa, 15.
15 or so.
God damn.
Oh my God.
Woo. Note that we just got finished sessioning. And let's see B-Boy Remedy. He got windmills for days, but let's see his jacks.
My jackhammers do not exist.
What you got? Oh, 1 round! Nigga, hold my shit. Hold this. Oh, praying mantises.
This is called a failed mission.
Oh, that's all I got.
Didn't even get on one arm.
Whatever. But yo, we out. Enjoy the jackhammers, crickets, tutorial. Bill, Remedy, Sean. We out.